Hey socialites, it's the Headwrap Socialite here, and I'm going to be doing a quick video tutorial for you on how I tie my headscarves. I actually received a request about how I tie my headscarves, so I thought I would put a video out there to show you guys. The first thing that I like to do is, as you can see already, I have my hair in a messy bun. What I like to do is I have these elastic ties that I have here, and I pick them up at either Walgreens or Target. They come in about 8 to 10 to a pack, and I like to use these because these seem to capture all of my locks. The smaller ones, I have tried them, but usually when I try to use the smaller elastic bands, they usually snap on me. So for me, if you have locks or really thick hair, these larger elastics tend to do the job. So I'll put my hair in a messy bun at first, and then I will go grab one of my scarves. And today I am choosing the 3 by 3 by 3 by 3 square scarf here. And what I like to do then is turn it until it forms a diamond. I'll take the very top of the diamond, and I'll take that top and I'll go right down into the middle of the scarf. And as you can see here, it forms a triangle right in the middle of the diamond. After that, what I will do is I'll take the scarf and I'll flip it over with that diamond being on the inside. Now I bend over and I will place the straight edge towards the nape of my neck. So right up against the nape of my neck, I will place the scarf. After that, you can see the diamond that was on the outside, the triangle, here it is. I will take now and tie it. And I will pull it tight here. And I usually capture that outside triangle. Pull it tight, and again, I'll do another quick tie. Sometimes I will take it here, just give it a little twist, and I'll take that piece that was sticking out, and I'll tuck it behind that knot. There you go. And a lot of times I'll actually go just like this because I think that actually looks pretty cute. But if I want to kind of give it a little bit of Zhuzh, as is the Zhuzh it up style, I will take it and I'll twist this other piece here, and then I will tuck that behind that knot. So there you have it, tucked behind the knot. Woo! And then sometimes I will take this one too, and I will do the same thing and tuck it behind the knot. And whichever way you decide to tuck it, honestly, you can't go wrong, because then you make it the way that you want it. It becomes your personal twist on the Zhuzh it up. There's so many different variations that you can do once it is like this. I'll just take these two pieces out again, and then I'll show you another quick way that I do it. I'll just do a quick twist, 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 twist to the end. And I'll take this, twist, 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 twist to the end. And then you can take those and pull them back here. And then what I like to do is, there's always extra material that I find with my scarves. And let's see if I can do it today. And I will just kind of tuck this behind the back of the scarf. And again, this kind of takes a little bit of practice, and you kind of get used to like how much material that you'll need. And then there you have it. You can just tuck it right there. One more different way that you can do with the same style is you can twist it, twist it, twist it, twist it, twist it. And then what I like to do is do a small, tiny rose, and I like twist it around, twist it around, twist it around. And then I will take that little extra piece. I don't know if you can see it, but then I'll take that and hide it in here. Then I'll do a twist, a twist, a twist, a twist, a twist, a twist here. And then I'll take this and I'll go in the opposite direction around the outside of this knot. and then I'll stick it right in the top of that. Let's just try that again. This is hard to do when you're looking at it from the other way. Okay, there you have it. And then you stick it right here in the middle. And there you have it. You have like a little knot here. You can move it and it looks like a little rose. And there you have it. I hope this video helps, as there are so many different scarf tutorials and ties that you can do. And I'll bring you a couple of more different tutorials that I do with my scarves that are a little bit more intricate, but again, definitely doable with practice. So the more you practice, you know, these styles, the quicker and easier it becomes for you to do your own zhuzh it up when you're on the go. Thanks so much. Like, comment, and subscribe. And I look forward to doing the next video for you guys. And thanks again for being a part of this community. And as always, teacups in hand and pinkies up.